Are you the Muslim? Are you a Muslim woman? Absolutely. Now the next question, are you the Muslim woman he wants you to be? The like of Fatima of 20, may Allah be pleased with her, of 2021. The like of Sayyidah Khadija of 2021. The like of Sayyidah Asiya, 2021. And like the Sayyidah Maryam of 2021. Yes or no? I didn't hear an answer. You're all right. We're not. Why? Have you ever asked yourself, why? What is the difference? You need to ask yourself, that's how we change. Unless we know reality, we will never change. I can claim whatever I want to claim, but He knows my reality, and He knows your reality. Why I am not. And all the speakers, may Allah bless them all, eloquently explain to you, they did not live easy life. They had all the challenges we have. What is the difference? Can anyone say any word? What is the difference? And what is Allah said in the Quran about this? قالوا شغلتنا. Who can finish it? Hiya Maryam. أموالنا وأهلنا. They say we are busy with our children and with our wealth, homes, career, how much we have in the bank account. She has bigger home, I need to do the same. She just bought this. The purse competition, I call it. So sad, but it's reality. Purse competition, shoes competition, home competition, children competition. We're busy with this. They had all this, but they did not allow it to move them away from Allah. Refocus, exactly the word that Sheikh Hassan just said. I keep reminding myself every morning. Number one, who are you? And I'm going to give you one by one. Number one, I and you, and every creation of Allah from al-jinn wal-ins. On this earth, we are here for one reason. And what is that reason? وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. I did not create ins and jinn. Allah said this in Surah Al-Dhariyat. But to worship me. Worship me is a loose translation. It's a very loose translation. Because when I tell you what is ibadah, what is worship, what are you going to tell me? What are you going to tell me? Fast, pray, go to Hajj, alhamdulillah, I wear hijab, what's wrong with me? That's not it. That's superficial. Al-ibadah, act of worship. It's everything. This is the ulama, the scholars have defined it differently. The one I'm going to share with you is the definition of Imam Ibn Taymiyyah. And it's very practical. Wallah ladhi Allah, you don't have to be scholar to be a abd of Allah. In fact, most of the real ibadah of Allah, majority were not scholars. كانوا عارفين بالله, they know Allah. Al-ibadah, act of worship, everything. Everything. Allah loves and loves and He's pleased with. يحب ويرضى. He loves and He's pleased with. Look at this. Internally and externally. So I'm not with people something, and when I'm alone, I'm something else. Internally and externally. From words and action. Words and action. One more time. Everything Allah loves and pleased. Internally, externally, saying and actions. Then you are the servant of Allah. Then I am the Fatima of 2021. And I am the Khadija of 2021. May Allah be pleased with them. And the Sayyidah Asiya and the Sayyidah Maryam. If I follow this, from the moment I open my eyes, to the moment I close my eyes, to the last breath He is going to give me, if I live with these 6, then that I am who He wants me to be, wherever He will put me. As a mother or a motherless. As a child or a childless. As a professional or taking home or staying home. As a student or not. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. This is who you are.